Hey YouTube, I know it's been a few years since I last posted a full-length video. I've been posting shorts as I'm going through some old footage just to kind of get back into making YouTube videos. So I hope you've been enjoying them if you've been seeing them. I have something that I've been working on and hopefully I'll release it soon. In the meantime, I wanted to update you on a few things. One, YouTube changed the way YouTube channels are named. So from now on, this channel won't be Out Exploring anymore. Some guy with like 5 subscribers who's not active on YouTube had Out Exploring, like youtube.com/outexploring. So the name can still be Out Exploring, but if you were going to search for stuff, his would pop up. So the name change is one thing. Another thing is I want to start creating different kind of content, and it's going to be more how I've done trips, how I plan them, the inspiration for them, and they might be a little more vlog/podcast style, but I'm not going to make a podcast. It's just going to be that style of video. So that's a little update. I hope you're enjoying this video. It's a shot a couple years ago in Japan, so enjoy.